You just found the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Take the path less traveled in the Wrangler JK, the iconic SUV that has the technology you need to be safe and secure and an indomitable off-road spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle for less than what your free spirit craves. Drive the Wrangler JK.